Hello and welcome friends. I am a digital mentor Ankit in Aanav Creations. So today we are going to start measuring video performances. So we have advertised the videos in the previous lesson. If you don't see, just go to the playlist or go to the I buttons. So today we are going to start measuring video performances in the digital marketing season 2. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you all know, our topic is measuring video performances. One of the great features about marketing with online video is that you can measure your results. Whether you are creating videos for your own website, sharing them on social media or advertising on popular video sites, you can measure the results of your efforts. In this lesson, we will discuss how to use analytics to learn who your viewers and how they interact with your videos. We will also look at top opportunities to improve your video performance and engage new audiences as well. Video analytics reveal a lot about the people who watch your video, like their age, gender, and location. When you know your audience, you can create video content they are interested in watching. So, say you are a travel blogger who creates video about your experiences in foreign locals. Your analytics reveal that most of your viewers live in India and your most popular videos feature Germany as a destination. If you want to increase traffic to your blog, just you need to might create more videos and content for these viewers. Perhaps a 360-degree video of a famous clogged cathedral. If you have videos in different places such as your website, Facebook page, YouTube channel, analytics on each site will show you where people are watching your videos the most. Knowing where people watch your video is the key to success to promoting your content. If most of your audience watches your video on YouTube, focus on uploading more fresh content to that site. You can also see what day and time people are most likely to watch your videos. If most people watch on weekends, then consider uploading fresh content on Friday nights. When measuring the performance of your videos, you can find out if people watch from your videos to start to finish. The length of your video may depend on the content. In most cases, short videos works best for you. You can increase the likelihood that people will play your videos and watch them to that end by keeping them brief. If people only watch the first few seconds of a video, it might not be meeting the expectations. Consider updating your preview images, video titles or descriptions so that people have a better idea of what they are about to watch. Also look at the average length of video viewed. If most people spend only a minute watching your demos, try creating videos that are say 60-degree or 60 seconds or less. Other common indication of your video's performance are likes, dislikes, comments and shares. This information from viewers provides insightful feedback. Another tip: keep an eye on the reactions your video receives through comments and social media. If people share your videos, it's a strong measure of engagement, of course. After all, they liked it enough to pass it along to someone else. To recap, you can use analytics to learn who is watching your videos, identify what they like and don't like, and find opportunities to engage new audiences. What you learn can help you when creating your next video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button of this video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.